Learn English with 30 simple sentences about Japan. I went to Japan last month. Japan is a beautiful country. The people are very kind. I visited Tokyo first. Tokyo is full of lights. I saw many tall buildings. The trains are very fast. I ate sushi every day. The sushi was delicious. I went to Kyoto next. I saw many temples. The temples are peaceful. I wore a kimono. I took many photos. I drank green tea. The tea was hot and tasty. I stayed in a ryokan. I slept on a futon. I tried Japanese snacks. I learned a few Japanese words. I said konnichiwa to everyone. I saw a samurai show. The samurai wore armor. I visited a castle. The castle was big and old. I saw a sumo match. The match was exciting. I bought some souvenirs. I love Japan very much. I want to go back again.